Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extract an audio from a video in CapCut PC. It's super simple. Just add in your video and you can just, well, you're supposed to be able to right click here. Okay, there we go. My mouse is a little bit buggy, so I'm so sorry. To extract audio, just like extract audio or press Control Shift S. And then that's it really. You can also do it from this section up here. You can go to audio and then import a video from here, and then it's going to just extract the audio. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.